Garage Gurus has a dedicated warranty team that handles warranty claims. When a claim is rejected, the main reasons are incorrect fitting and handling. At Garage Gurus, we strive to provide garages and mechanics with all the information they need to help them complete jobs in the right way and as efficiently as possible. Our expertise is readily available to all who work in the automotive aftermarket. Visit our Knowledge Center and Diagnostics Center to learn more. Damian Dominikowski is responsible for handling warranty cases. He investigates claims received on our warranty portal and analyzes issues and pictures sent by customers. In some cases, it may be necessary for customers to send the parts for further analysis. When a claim is rejected, it is often for reasons such as the part was incorrectly installed or problems with components surrounding the replacement part. Garage Gurus help drive customers avoid warranty issues caused by incorrect installation. Customers can register their claims using Drive's online warranty portal. Only direct customers in possession of a valid Drive invoice can register a warranty claim.